Welcome, folks. This is a real-life trading video about day trading options and estimating what the option will be worth at a future price based on what a different option is worth now. That's really confusing. Let me draw a picture. We're looking at Tesla here, and we're talking about an entry here with a 282.50 put. And then the question is, well, hey, if it gets down to the low of the day, what will that option be worth, and how would we estimate the value of that option? So thanks to Chief for offering this idea. We're going to record a video just for you, Chief. So thanks for watching Real Life Trading. My name is Brad Reed, and I am a real life trader, and I'd like to encourage you to be good, and by good, I mean get out of debt, achieve your financial dreams, and give generously to your community. I kind of have to say that at the beginning of every video. I don't know why. Okay, so Tesla, let's take a look at it on the daily chart first. So I was actually looking at going bullish on Tesla somewhere in this area. I was loving this retest, thinking, hey, if we come back up, that is my signal to buy on Tesla and take it bullish. Didn't do that. It gapped down a pretty strong, nice amount. Got a fairly decent channel here. So, hey, a good bearish gap coming in, and if I can get a good reward by the bottom of the channel, I'm going to take that trade. So the way we like to day trade options is to figure out a way where I can control my risk. So if the number that I wanted to break was 283.27 based on the double top there, it broke down, got close to the volume weighted average price, and then did just a beautiful little retest there. And it's that little squiggle that I wanted to take, combined with the support from the bullish candle there. And is that a tweezer bottom? Ooh, a perfect tweezer bottom on a $200 stock. That's rare. So both of these candles had a low at 283.30. That's a strong support. That's why I put my entry there at 283.27. Now, if I'm going to do an option day trade, I'm going to choose the option that expires closest to today, which today is Tuesday, May 15th. So that would be May 18th. Let me see if I can pull up my options chain here. I'm going to pick that one. So monitor, there we go. So I'm looking at a monitor of what I'm broadcasting, make sure everything's caught up. So if I look at looking at Tesla, May 18th, got 3 days to expiration. If my entry price was going to be 283.27, the first option out of the money of that is going to be 282.50. So let's take a look at the chart of that. And let's see, can I pull up a new chart? I can. There it is. So this is the 5-minute candle of the chart price, of the option price of the 282.50 put for Tesla expiring May 18th of 2018. Now, I can see that the low of the day price for the option was $3.50. Now, remember, options gain value as the stock goes down, and they lose value as the stock goes up. So basically, the picture of this option price is going to be the upside down of this of the stock chart. I'm not sure if I said that correctly. Let me back up. The put chart price, the put price chart is going to be an inverse upside down picture of the stock price chart. Woo! Got it. Look at me go, folks. Speaking English. I've been speaking English for about 43 years, because I just turned 44, and I'm still struggling with it. Inverse. There you go, Chief. Thank you for that. So 282.50. The question is now, what is the value of the option going to be if it comes all the way down here to the low of the day? Well, the low of the day is 277.8. Sorry, not the low of the day, the next support. If it comes down here to this next support, which is where I would want to exit if I do not get out at 2R. So let me just, for clarity, drag that down there. Let's say I want to get out at 277.50. Nice number. What will the value of my option be down there, right? Because I can't set the option price at 282.50. But what I can do is look at, if I'm going to buy a 282.50 option, what will the value of my option be when it's $5 in the money, right? Because that's the difference from 282.50 to 277.50. So what would the value of an option be that is $5 in the money from right now? Well, right now it's right at 282.42. Let's swing over to the option chain. If it's right at 282.50-ish now, what is the value of the option that's $5 in the money? Well, $5 in the money from now is 287.50. So I can come over here and say that's $8.25. So again, since the 287.50 put, when it is $5 in the money, is $8.20, that is a good guesstimate that my 282.50 put that I own will be worth $8.20 when it is $5 in the money. So that is why I can come down here to the chart and maybe make a note that right down here, the value of my option down here close to the target is going to be about $8.20. So I could do a sell limit at $8 and maybe 15 cents, just to, in case I'm wrong by a little bit, of my option, and therefore I can make some money. So here in my plan, I said sell half at 645, and I'm going to make the rest sell half at 820. And I can show you where I got the 645 from, because if you look at the chart, let's see, that is this picture. The high of the day was 650, so that's close to the low of the day of the stock, right? High of the day of the put will be the low of the day of the stock. So if I were in this trade, I would be exiting half right about the low of the day and the rest down here at the pivot. So since the high price of the option was 650, I would get out just a tiny bit before that, 645. And then based on my guesstimate using the option that is currently $5 in the money, I can guesstimate how much my option will be worth when it becomes $5 in the money. And that is, oh, John Foster, thank you very much. John Foster is pointing out, saying, hey, Brad, you looked at the ask, not the bid. So you are correct. I should be looking at the bid over here, not the ask. And John points out that that was 790. So John, I appreciate that. I'm going to change this to be 785. 785. And let's see if I can delete all of the stuff here. Usually I just kind of undo. That's not too hard. Wow, look at me. It's like I've used a computer before. $7.85. That's how I would exit the option. Thank you, John, for that. Chief, thanks for requesting the video. Folks, if you want to learn how to trade stocks for free, come over here to a website called www.reallifetrading.com. We have tons of free education. Wow, come on, internet. Of course, when I'm recording a video, the internet will go slow. If you look at here, free, there's trading for beginners, intermediate trading. If you want to day trade, we will teach you how to day trade for free. That very handsome fellow is one of my really good friends, Jeremy Newsom. I am not as good looking as he, so my picture is not allowed to be on the website. Something about breaking the internet. And also, folks, if you have questions and you want us to record a video for you, so www.reallifetrading.com. My name is Brad Reed. My email is brad@reallifetrading.com. And if you're in the USA and you want to give me a call, my United States of America cell phone is 512-296-8403. Dan Grill, thanks for the feedback. Did I need to get that on the screen? There you go, buddy. That part's for you. So, Chief, you're welcome. Thanks for requesting the video. John, thanks for the heads up. You guys are going to get frequent trader points. If you have any questions, there's my email. There's my phone number. Folks, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Trade on logic, not on hope. You rock.